What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to hem curved edges or how to sew curved edges, and this could be curved edge of your sleeve, curved edges of your gown, those curved edges in our clothes. Finally, this request was made on the Facebook community page where I asked a question of people's current sewing struggle. So if you want your sewing struggle to come up as a tutorial on this channel, I want you to do one thing and one thing only for me: be subscribed to this channel, follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, your sewing struggle will be treated on this channel. Anyways, without talking too much, let's just jump into how to how to sew curved edges.
Circle shaped fabric, and I've marked out 1 inch round the circumference, and it will serve as my hem, and I'm folding it round and securing it with some office pin. When I was done with that, I started sewing. So the thing with sewing curved edge curved edges is some parts your sewing will go really straight, and some parts where you have something like curves and bumps, you have to like fold the edge, like as you can see what I did here, like that curved place which I know if you're sewing with your sewing machine, I want to jump or give you issues with sewing, you just fold it down and hem it to the main fabric or to the main piece that you're sewing. When you're done with that, you continue stitching the other perceived straight seams. When you get to another curved edge, all you do is fold it in, fold it in and sew it to the main piece. Continue doing that around the entire fabric. If you are doing that with your sewing machine, you just, when you get to a curved edge, you fold it and sew it. If you are hemming with your needle and thread, we also fold and sew. For places that are not really curvy, you do your normal stitch, but when you get to a place where it's curvy and would not want to relax normally, you just have to fold it in and sew. It's just that simple. The thing with hemming the edge of your fabric or your dress is you have to work with like a really short needle and thread. As you could see, I was struggling with loosening and untying knotted threads because the thread was really long. So if you want it to be faster for you, just work with a short length of thread, and when you're done with that, you just replace it. So when I was done with that, I just gave a really last tight stitch to the dress or to the piece. This is what my foot looks like.